Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ruma Paul, welcoming all to Chaitanya Studio of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University, Ahmedabad. We are dealing with lecture series of postgraduate diploma in marketing in the subject of digital marketing. In our last lecture, we have come to know the basic concept, right? So it was a unit 1 that we have come across. So the basic foundation of digital marketing that we have come to know, the introduction of digital marketing that also we have learned. Even we have come to know that 7 P's of digital marketing, and we have also come across segmenting STPs of digital marketing. So in today's lecture we will focus on unit 2, which is comprises of importance of digital marketing. So in that unit, we will come across the the search engine optimization. We'll come to know the Google updates, and we'll come to know the algorithm, right? Even we will come to know the types of internet marketing. So let's start with learning objectives. So after learning this unit, you will be able to understand the internet marketing methods, the concept of SERP, the concept search engine architecture, the concept Google algorithm, right? So the first thing that we need to know, the digital marketing, right? So the digital marketing is important as it's not only a fastest growing force in the present marketing playing field, but it says as future of marketing, and and can soon be able to replace traditional forms altogether. So the facts are that digital methods of communication and marketing are faster, more versatile, practical and streamlined. So it is perhaps unsurprising that once the technology became available, we began quickly moving into the digital age. The good news is that digital offers just as much potential to marketers as it does to consumers. Also, it is seen that digital marketing is infinitely more affordable as compared to traditional offline marketing. So an email or social media campaign will able to transmit marketing message to consumers in lesser cost as compared to TV and or TV ad or print campaign, and can potentially reach to wider audience. So digital marketing, so here that two things is very important, that is digital marketing is infinitely more affordable as compared to traditional offline marketing methods. The second one, that is an email or social media campaign will be transmit marketing message to consumers in lesser cost as compared to TV ad or print campaign, and can potentially reach to wider audience. So the next thing that we need to know, that is types of internet marketing methods. Okay, so here we can see the 7 types of internet marketing methods. So as internet has grown, so there results lots of options for businesses to market to customers online. So there are mainly popular types of internet marketing today methods that are there in market today, such as the first one, that is affiliate marketing. So this types of marketing uses businesses which is playing to individuals or companies to promote their products, services on their websites. So such type of marketing typically involves placing a banner ad on another site in which the host being paid based on number of customers click on particular advertisement and makes the purchase online. Now, the next one, that is display advertising. So, it is one of the most common types of online advertising medium. It is similar to affiliate marketing, where placing banner ads on other websites for the visitors who are interested in business products or services. So the display ads can be, it can be in certain range and include video and audio as well. Now the next one, that is email marketing. So it is an online version of direct mail. In this, rather than sending a customer a handout or an advertisement, right, it displays a form type which allow businesses to send similar information or even more, with the help of email. So such type of marketing will include business coupons, newsletters. It could be an invitation to special events and surveys as well, right? So moving forward, the next one, that is inbound marketing. So, in this type of marketing, an online content such as blogs, social media, and podcasts are used in order to attract new customers. The idea of this strategy is that it revolves around the businesses creating own importance of digital marketing, digital marketing content, which draws attention of our shoppers. So once they are in businesses, can start tailoring their message to each visitor's needs. Now the next one, which is very important, that is pay-per-click advertising. It is a new word, right? It is known as search engine marketing, which is advertising in which business plays ads on search engine websites like Google and Yahoo. Right? So these ads are placed in special top or a side panels, that separated out for paid ads. It is seen that many search engines offer businesses the opportunity to bid on ad space on their pages. So in this, the business which is willing to pay most each time an internet user clicks on and gets the spot. Now the next one, that is search engine optimization. It is a free form of advertising, which is designed to increase business ranking on search engines. So it is seen that higher is a business's ranking, more likely there are chances of displaying results on top when internet user searches, for businesses or something similar to the match. Now the next one, that is social media marketing. So in this type of marketing strategy, the businesses is promoted with the help of social media outlets such as Facebook, Twitter, then Google Plus, then Pinterest and Instagram. Right. It works by creating a dedicated page for business on each site and developing content which draws followers that eventually converts to pay customers. So here we can see, just this six types of internet marketing. It's now comes under this digital marketing, right? The first one, it comes, that is affiliate marketing, then search engine optimization, then inbound marketing, display advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, and pay-per-click advertising. Now moving forward to the next, that is how the search engine works. So a search engine performs two main functions, that is crawling and building an index and providing search users with a rank list of websites. So, in this, every stop, serves as unique document, which is normally a web page or a PDF, JPG, right? As the search engine scrolls the entire city and find all stops, all through this way. So with this, it happens to locate the best path available, which is known as links. So the links will allow search engines to automate a robot which is known as crawlers or as spiders, so that it should reach to billions or of interconnected documents located on the web. So once search engine finds such pages, they decode the code and store the selected selected pieces in huge databases so that it can be recalled later when required for such query. Now, to do this, the search engine companies construct data centers all across the world. So such high storage facilities will carry out thousands of machines that process large quantities of information quickly. So in case of person performing search operation at any of major search engines, it gets results immediately. It is known that search engines are answer machines where a person performs performs an online search which a search engine will clean the amount of billions of documents and performs following task. A, that we can say return only those results which are relevant or useful to search queries, and B, that is ranks those results as per popularity of websites serving information, right? So it is seen that for a search engine, relevance means such page having required or right words. So in early days of web, search engines did not go much. Why? Because so further than this, simplistic step and will search results that were limited in value. It was limited in a value. So the search engines assume that more popular a site, page or a document, more valuable the information it contains. So this results in fairly successful in terms of user satisfaction with search results. So so the two things that we can say that very important when it comes to the search engine works, that is crawling and building an index. The second one, providing search users with rank list of websites. Now moving forward, so we need to know what is SERP. So understanding the SERP. So S stands for search, E stands for engine, R stands for results, and P stands for page. So actually SRP is known as altogether that is search engine results page. So when a user looks something on Google, then the first page he sees after typing his query or her query and clicking on enter is a list of possible websites. Right? List of possible website options that meets her query, which are ranked as per the order of importance from most relevant on the top. So while choosing the required site, people get impatient, right? If they are not able to trace the site in first few links they have clicked. So as per the research, the number of users clicking first few websites on first SERP increases by 68% from 2002 to 2008. Also, very less users looked at second or third search engine results page. So it is seen that the first page is important. As seen, the second or third search engine results page will lose 90% of readership from potential customers and eventually loses with profit. So it is seen that ranking of SERP, the ranking of this SERP is important as Google wants to give its customers the most relevant results as per their query. It is also seen that higher is the ranking in SERP listing, higher will be the likelihood of people visiting the websites. So as Google is matching which does not have human capabilities of understanding context behind images or videos. So as it only look at text information, inside and monitor links are required. So it is advisable that the website sound have content which can be optimized for search engine, which is commonly known as search engine optimization or SEO, right? Now, so we have come to know this SERP. Now moving forward, that is search engine search engine algorithms. So search engines optimization we have come to know. So what is search engine algorithms, right? So search engine algorithm are set of rules or different formula which search engine use to find the importance of web page. It is also noted that every search engine has its own set of rules, which will find whether a web page is real or spam, or having any significant data which can be useful to people along with certain other features. So, in that will rank and list results for every such query. Further making it as organized and informational search engine results page. So search engine algorithm are different for every search engine, which are placed secrets having many things common, such as the first one, that is relevancy, the second one, that is individual factors, the third one, that is off-page factors. Now, relevancy. It is seen that the basic thing which a search engine algorithm will check is relevancy of page. It checks whether it is simply scanning for keywords or looking at how such keywords are applied in algorithm to find web page relevancy. In this, the position of keywords is also important factor to determine relevancy of a site. As C, the web pages contains keywords in title, and in heading or in the first few lines of text that ranks better for keywords as compared to websites which has no such features. To determine relevancy, the frequency of keywords are also important, as if keywords appear frequently but are not results of keyword stuffing, then the websites will rank better. Now the individual factors, the second point. It is another part of search engine algorithms where individual factors that make that particular search engine different from other. It is seen that every search engine has unique algorithm and individual factors at different search query result in different results on Google, MSN or Yahoo, right? So an important individual factor of search engine is number of pages. So our search engine indexes has as a result more pages indexed or index results in different results for each search engine. Now the important factor, that is off-page factors. It is seen that in every search engine off-page factors are different. These are such factors which click through measurement and linking. So in this, the frequency of clicking through rates and linking shows an indicator of relevant web page used by actual users and visitors, which causes an algorithm to rank such web page in higher order, right? In sub web page in a higher order. So these factors are harder for webmasters to design, but can have enormous effect on on this page rank depending on search engine algorithm, right? Now moving forward, that we need to know about Google, Google algorithm updates. What are those Google algorithm updates? So before that, again we can see that search engine algorithm depends on the three things. That the first one, that is relevancy, second one, that is individual factors, and the third one, that is off-page factors. Okay, these three factors are very much important when it comes to the search engine algorithms, right? So relevancy means when the keywords comes frequently, right? Individual factors that already we have cited, and the off-page factors, right? Now we will see the most important part, that is Google algorithm updates. Now what is Google algorithm updates? It is seen that every year Google changes, every year this Google changes its search algorithm many times, as many changes are minor. So it is noted that every few months Google takes out major algorithm, major update which affects search results in a drastic way. So it is search, it is saying that search marketers having idea about dates of search Google algorithm updates will help to explain, fluctuation that exist in ranking and in organic website traffics as described, that we have described. So this history of Google's algorithm changes having related impact on search results are highlighted, which can be critical for search engine optimization. So the first, 4.2, July 18, 2015, this is not a first. In 2015, we have cited, it is a first rephrase of Google's quality, policy of web content since September 2014. So the earlier Panda update signs notice an increasing in organic ranking, which gets affected on rank penalty as per quality of content, as Google's goal is to provide best search experience for users of various search engine services, right? So for this it was happened. Now the next one, that is, Google core quality update, it was on 3rd May 2015. It was like it results in spikes in Google desktop SERP fluctuation from end of April by mid May, which was verified by Google as part of core algorithm that will change, related quality signals, which is used to determine rank. The next one, that was Google local, algorithm expert. It was like December 22nd in 2014. It was all about the local algorithm, which was launched in July 2014, whose update is known as Pigeon, which allows Google to provide accurate and relevant information regarding local searches. Now the next one, that is Penguin 3.0 extended. And this this update came on December 11th in the year of 2014. So it was all about, it was like a with changes since April 2012, with which the major infrequent updates gets replaced by steady stream of minor updates. Then it was like, authorship reach. So it was, snippet update. It was came on December, it was came on December I think 18 2013. So it was like, authorship and reach snippet results dropped as 15% since Google tightened qualifications for reach snippets. Now the next one, moving forward, Penguin update 5th, which is comes under reference 2.1. It came October 4th, 4th October in the year of 2013. It was, released during Google's continuing fight against web spam. The last one, it was came in 2012, in December 21st. It was like a Panda update, and this update affects nearly 1.4% of queries and comes as surprise during last minute session. And another one, that that was Penguin update 3rd. It comes, it knows as reference 1.3. It comes 5th October in 2012. It is a, multilingual Penguin refresh, which was reported as small that far reaches in international, sense. Then the Panda update 19, it's also known as a reference 3.9.2. So this is September 18 in the year of 2012 came. It reports as minor data refresh, which affects less than 1.7% of queries. Now the freshness update, it came November 3rd in 2011. This update will focus on phrase content and regular updates that affect 35% off on all searches. Now the next one that we will come to, we will focus on, that is Google Instant September 8. It came, in the year of 2010, September, and the date was like 8 September. So in this algorithm update, Google has said, actually Google launches with first search that automatically suggest, options for completion of search term. Then in 2010, it was a caffeine update. It came in the June 8th June. So the caffeine is Google's web indexing system, which provide 50% phrase content in searches as compared to earlier index and create largest collection of web content, what Google has ever offered. So the last one, no, not the last one actually. Even even the another one, that is caffeine introduction. That came August 10th in the year of 2009. So it was all about Google next generation infrastructure. It was all about the Google next generation infrastructure, which was invented by people to test in order to have improvement. Then another update, it was a Google Suggest in the year of 2008 and the month of August 25th. So in that update, Google comes with Suggest feature, which will attempts to autocomplete your query by suggesting related search terms. And the another one, that was universal search. It came in the year of 2007. The month is May 16th. So it was like a universal search which combines the results from Google's web, then blog, then news, then video, then images, local and book searches. Now the Big Daddy updates, it was a very old one. It came around in the year of 2005 in November 1st, somewhere November 1st. So it was an infrastructure update which was which is given the changes the way the Google deal with URL, and it was like redirects and more. It was all about the redirect and more. And the last one, that was the Brandy update, and it came the year of 2004 in the month of February 17th. So it was an update which results in changes which include expansion of Google's index that focus on anchor text, relevance, then inbound link quality that defines online neighborhood, and latent semantic indexing. It was calling the LSI. So here I have cited only the few things. Even the latest one, even in latest also, Google has given so many updates. Yes, in the next class I will include all the updates. Okay, so moving forward to the next. So now we will come to know the page rank technology. So what is page rank technology, right? So this page rank system is an important feature of Google algorithms which serves as automated process that will find search results which appears on Google search. Which appears on Google search engine return page. So as seen, many users tend to focus on first few search results. So getting a place at top of list normally catches more users traffic. So page rank, what page rank do? Page rank assigns a rank or a score to every search results. The higher the page score, the page score, the higher the search results list will appear. So as seen, scores are partially determined by number of other web pages. So which links to target page where every link is counted as vote for target. So it is seen that pages with high quality content gets linked to average pages. As seen, not all votings are equal, right? So but votes from high ranking web page count more than votes from low ranking sites. So if a web page link sends out, it getting diluted. It's voting, it's voting power with high ranking page to hundreds of other pages where other would not count as much as it would if page links only few sites. So apart from this, there are several factors which affect scoring. That includes how long the site has been, strength of domain name, how and where keywords appear on site, and age of links going to and from the site. So Google tends to place more value on sites that have been around for a while, right? So the most important that we have come to know, that is in page, when it comes to the page rank technology, that is automated process, and every link is counted as a vote for target. The third one, that is high ranking web page, and the fourth one, that is low ranking sites, right? So here is the check your progress, which you can do at your home to check your progress, right? So these are the further readings. If you would like to know more about this, more about the topics, you can go through this books, and you can go through this in references, Students, in today's lecture, we have come to know the page rank technology. We have come to know, the SERP, what is search engine results page. Even we have come to know, the types of internet marketing. And in next lecture, we will again, we will come to know about the SEO, more about the SEO, more about the, search engine optimization. We will come to know the Google algorithm. We will come to know about the more about the digital marketing. Okay, so thank you everyone.
स्वाध्यायः परः